तुम्हारी वीडियो ले लो हम भी। अरे रे where are we heading?
To Mughlai Mosque.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mughlai.
Mosque नमाज पढ़ेंगे नहीं तो we are heading
something Mughlai.
yeah we are heading towards a restaurant that is Mughlai food. So आज
That is like 2.1 kilometer.
yeah तो आज अभी we are in city gate. तो
down below.
ये जो पीछे दिख रही है ये यहाँ पे जो दिख रही है पीछे ये पुलिस चौकी है यहाँ की। यहाँ पे पुलिस चौकी का नाम खपोंग खांग है, खपोंग खांग। और ये जो एरिया है इस एरिया को बोलते हैं सिटी गेट। और हम सिटी गेट से सीधे बढ़ेंगे और हम जाएंगे वहाँ मुगलई फूड की तरफ जो कि उधर है। रुको, रेड लाइट हो रखी है, अभी रेड लाइट हो रखी है। तो पहला रूल टूटता हुआ सिंगापुर के अंदर, जो कि हमने दुबई में कभी नहीं किया। यहाँ पे आप देखिए ये छोटे छोटे शॉप्स हैं जहाँ पे छोटे छोटे लोग हैं और हंचिम्पो हैं और यहाँ सड़कों पे घूम रहे हैं। हाँ तो जहाँ खाना खाने आए थे वहाँ खाना ऑर्डर कर लिया हमने, ठीक है। ये रहा देखो खाना, ये इन्होंने वेज मंगाया था आलू मटर और हमने मंगाया था चिकन टिक्का मसाला। और ये चचा की दुकान है मुगलई में, चचा उड़ीसा से हैं। और इन्होंने लेकिन डाल दी क्या, इन्होंने खाना तो अच्छा भेजा है लेकिन इन्होंने मटर डाल दी और मटर तो हमें अलग करनी पड़ गई साइड में। यहाँ पे 7 बज रहा है और 7 बजे जो है यहाँ पे अंधेरा हुआ ही नहीं है। देखिए आप ये 7 बजे ऐसा दिख रहा है कुछ। अभी हम जा रहे हैं लॉयन स्टैचू की तरफ। यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस लायन स्टैचू, यहाँ पे क्रिश की शूटिंग हुई थी तो उधर की तरफ जा रहे हैं। यहाँ से 10 मिनट्स की वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे अभी उधर ही की तरफ जा रहे हैं और बाकी वहाँ जाएंगे तो फोटोज़ वगैरह। So guys, we are over here in Little India with a little gentleman, only 5'2" height. So this is a place in Singapore that is known as Little India. So all the Indians, like most of them, are doing business over here. Like in case you are visiting, so must visit over here because you'll find the best restaurants for the Indian food over here. Because most of the people are from Delhi. They're also from. They're also from.
For your shoes, motherfucking shoes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy.
Yeah. So, like the prices are also cheaper, and we'll find like good Indian food and good Indian like such as you know, such as t-shirts, shirts, and all. So yeah, it's worth it. Chalo. We are heading towards one of the restaurants. Whatever we find, we'll have it. So this is a place you can see. It's look like very much like Connaught Place. It is completely So pawn shop.
Means like gold items.
Yeah. So gold shops are also over here. You can find a good gold, like usually Malabar gold. brand ambassador is Kareena Kapoor, by the way. And these are the like Indians, like Indian customs to be followed over here. And apart from that, like in case you are visiting Singapore, just try to visit Little India because you'll find a lot of good food. Because in whole of the Singapore, you cannot find proper food. As you're visiting like Singapore, you should come over here in order to look for a food. And because all over Singapore, you cannot find good food for yourself. All what you'll get is prawns, fish, jellyfish, octopus. You can't eat that. So in case you're visiting Singapore, you must come over here for any kind of Indian food if you're looking for Indian food. And in this place, you'll find like most of the Indians over here. Like most of the people you'll find out over here are Indians. So it will be very much convenient for you, and you can have the language, you can understand the language, you can like try and touch with them. And in case you are also visiting for like looking for a job or something, then also you can come over here and you will find like relevant contacts for yourself. So it's a nice place. भाई साहब ने बड़ा ऑर्डर किया
Sambar and the vada is like not tasty. But it's worth it. Like for $1 each. $1 or $2, I don't know. But it's
ये
like worth it.
कानपुर के पक्कीर पकड़ $1 largest fountain, indoor fountain you will ever see. Okay?
the largest airport in the world.
And this is the largest airport in the world. And
Like sprinkles of water.
you can also see very cheap people, even from like the lower caste community.
The one who's taking the video.
These are the cheap people actually. Very cheap people coming from a very low class caste, you can say. Okay.
The Chamal.
Yeah, no, it's not
The
Chamal.
Chamar?
Bangi. So they have never seen a fountain even. All they have is
I've seen many fountains. I've made many fountains, by the way.
a dabbu and lota. Only that's the fountain they'll ever see. But still,
Where does
हर
it go,
कुत्ते
by
का
the
दिन
way?
आता है.
This water. Where does it go?
ये पानी यहाँ से निकलता है और ये सारा का सारा इनकी गांव में जा रहा है.
Bauswege, I need to send it to my mom.
You can't send it to your mom.
I'll use the beep, 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 beep. Look at that Mickey Mouse.
And there you can see a Mickey Mouse over there.
That's Mickey Mouse. Question, motherfucker.
Which kind of question do you want?
The one that I asked you.
Okay. So what did you like in Singapore?
To the terminal 2.
What are we going to do over there? See that guy? He's also in our vlogging.
Checking our bag and after that we'll just go to smoke or something like that. Come back and then we'll fly and then we will land to fucking Dubai. Is this live or what?
Yeah, it's like,
Right?
yeah.
What else? What else? What else?
And what's your plan in Dubai, by the way?
Day-to-day activity, back to basics.
What is the basic?
You go to the office and then clean the room.
That's